Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope all of you are hale and hearty by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform NIEVS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School Day Shift. Today, I am going to conduct an English class for the students of class 8. Our today's topic is Unit 9, Lesson 4, question number 1 to 3. I repeat, our today's topic is Unit 9, Lesson 4, question number 1 to 3. It is also called Scene Part, question number 1 to 3, Scene Part A. So, dear students, look here. It is written our lecture number 9 and SW number 8 on our annual term syllabus. That means this is our lecture number 9 and SW number 8 on our annual term syllabus. My dear students, before going to our class, I want to show you two pictures. So, look at the pictures, look at these two pictures. So, look here, the first one, that means the plane is flying. Okay, look here, and the second picture we see, that means in an experiment the plane is also flying. So, after looking at these two pictures, we can understand our today's picture is, or our today's topic is taking off. That means beginning to fly. Our today's title is taking off, and it means beginning to fly. So, in these connections, I request all of you open your EFT book, this book English for Today, and page number 115. Page number 115, yes, this lesson. Page number 115, the title is taking off, means beginning to fly. I hope all of you have opened your book, page number 115. At first we will start reading, and after reading we will go to our question pattern. Number 1 is MCQ, number 2 question answer, and number 3 is fill in the blanks. So, give your maximum attention to understand this important class. Human beings conquered the distance on earth by discovering wheels. They endeavored further. So, they endeavored further in this connection. So, look at the keywords endeavor. So, look here, endeavor means try. Endeavor means, I repeat, endeavor means try. Come to the text. Then on December 17, 1903, the Wright brothers in America made the first experiment of the flying in a plane. In the experiment, a machine carried a man and rose above by its own power. Look at the word rose, means moved upwards above by its own power. The machine was called Aka airplane. So, look, the machine was called Aka airplane. It flew naturally in a smooth speed and finally landed without damage. So, look, that was human beings' first real takeoff. So, I have already told you the meaning take off, beginning to fly. Take up means beginning to fly, and they have got a supersonic speed. So, dear student, do you know the meaning supersonic? Okay, in this connection we will go to the keywords. Look at the word supersonic. So, look here, a supersonic means traveling faster than sound. Supersonic means traveling faster than sound. Come to the text. In a supersonic speed, sometimes something travels faster than sound. So, the skies is limit now. Modern aircraft companies are making revolutions in aviation technology. Look at the two words, revolutions and aviation. So, come to the keywords. So, look at the word revolution. Okay, revolution means radical change, and aviation means the art of flying aircraft. So, look at the two important words. Revolution means radical change, and aviation means the art of flying aircraft. Okay, modern done this one. Boeing as well as Airbus is producing modern passengers airplanes. These planes fly very fast. Boeing 787 flies 950 kilometer per hour. That means it, okay, so look here, it flies 950 kilometers per hour. However, Airbus 350 is expected to fly in a couple of years. Its speed will be 945 kilometers per hour. You find attractive ads, that means advertisement. Here ad represents advertisement. On the websites of Boeing and Airbus planes, both have excellent features, but in speed neither could beat the Concorde. So look at the word Concorde, very much important word Concorde. Okay, it is the world's fastest supersonic passenger aircraft. Its normal speed was 2000. So look here, 2170 per kilometers, 2170 kilometers per hour. The Concorde was a joint project by France and Britain. It started passenger flight in 1976. Unfortunately, the Concorde fleet was grounded forever in 2003 after a major accident. So dear students, this is our reading sessions. Now we will go to our, so look here, reading session is done. Now we will go to our question pattern. Number 1 is MCQ. Number 1 is MCQ or choose the best answer. So look here, choose the correct answer to each questions from the alternatives given and write the corresponding number of the answer in your answer script. Okay, look, the word supersonic in line 8 of the text means, so if we go to the text, we will got the word supersonic. So look here, 8 line, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, supersonic. So the word supersonic in line 8 of the text means option, denoting a speed greater than that of sound. Denoting a speed lower than that of sound, no. Denoting, that means indicating a speed greater than that of 2 aeroplane, no. Denoting a speed lower than that of the sound. So dear students, after reading our text, we have understood that supersonic means denoting a speed greater than that of sound. That means A number is the proper answer. The word supersonic in line 8 of the text means denoting a speed greater than that of sound or indicating a speed greater than that of sound. Now I will move you to the question MCQ number 2. The word fly means. The word fly means option, move in the land, move in the water, move in the sky, move everywhere. So you are a smart learner and you will easily understand that means fly means move in the sky. C number is the proper answer. Now 3 number, the invention of wheels of flying in a plane was made by the option, made by the dash, a conquering, conquered, increase. So look, that means the invention of the wheels of flying in a plane was made by the conqueror. That means A number is the proper answer. Now number D, the first experiment of flying in a plane was made by the A Asians, B Americans, C Australians, D Chinese. So in this connection I want to move you to the text. So look at the text, America, that means on December 17, 1903, the Wright brothers in America. So look at the point here, that means America, okay, the first experiment of flying in a plane was made by the Americans. 2 brothers are the citizens of Americans. Then B number is the correct answer. Which one is the first plane of human beings? Boeing, Akai airplane, Boeing 787, the Concorde. So go to the text. So look at the machine was called Akai airplane. This was the first in the experiment. Okay, that means the machine was called Akai airplane. This is the first plane of human beings, Akai airplane, AKA airplane. Number 6, the Concorde plane had a dash accident in 2003. So look here, slight, grave, light, minor. So look here, in the text it is written major accident. So look here, what is the word major? Major accident, very much significant or terrible accident. The Concorde plane had a dash accident in 2003. It will be slight, no, grave, yes. We can consider light, minor. That means B number is the proper answer. Grave or terrible accident. Last, Which was the fastest airplane? Airplane. B. Concorde. C. Boeing 787 Airbus. So in the text we have got the point that Concorde was the fastest. So look here, it is the world's fastest supersonic passengers aircraft. And it's Concorde. Look at the word Concorde. So B number is the proper answer. Concorde is the proper answer. Now I will move you, or we will go to the answer the following questions from your reading of the text above. So look at the question number A. Who made the first successful experiment in flying an airplane? Look at the answer. Look. On December 1793, the Wright brothers in America made the first successful experiment in flying an airplane. Number B. What was the firstly flying machine called? Answer. The firstly flying machine was called Aka airplane. That means this was the first airplane, and fastest is Concorde. The firstly flying machine was called Aka airplane. It flew naturally in a smooth speed and finally landed without damage. D number. What was world's fastest passenger airplane? Answer. World's fastest passenger airplane was the Concorde. From the text we have got the answer, and its normal speed was 2170 square kilometers per hour. I repeat, its normal speed was 2170 kilometers per hour. Last question answer. How many persons did Aka airplane carry? So look here, Aka airplane carried. So whenever in question number it will be did, okay, in writing the answer we will write the past form of the verb. So look here, it is carried. You know this, but I am telling it. Aka airplane carried one man. It rose above by its own power. So dear students, we have finished our question number 2. Now we will go to our last question, is fill in the blanks. Question number 3. Read the following text and fill in the gaps with the appropriate words to make it a meaningful one. So dear students, this text has been taken from your EFT book, this book, EFT book page number 55. That means if you open your EFT book page number 55, you will get this text. So come to the board. The dove listened to her friend's false praises and dash about the insincerity of his praises. So in this passage we see that there are 3 characters. One is dove, who is very much sincere and honest. Another one is bat, who is very much insincere and a hypocrite in a sense. That bat is a hypocrite. And another character is owl. Owl, little bit insincere, and he always wants to hear her or its personal praises. 3 characters. First one is dove, very much sincere and honest character. Second one is dove is first character. Second one is it is called owl. That means owl is very much insincere and he always wants to hear his personal things about personal praises. And third is, so here is bat also, and bat is, it is sense that bat is a hypocrite character. So after reading the text you will understand it. The dove listened to her friend's false praises and wondered about the insincerity of his praises. You will write here wondered or, so look here, I am writing, follow me. Wondered or astonished. About the insincerity of his praises. The dove was quiet, dash her head down. Dove was quite hanging her head down. It will be hanging. From the passage we have got the answer. Head down. The owl got impatient and wanted to hear more and more praises. I have told you that owl wants to listen more about himself. The dove lifted her head slowly and thanked him very much. I told you the dove is a sincere character, an honest character also. And thank, past tense, very much for the shelter and food offered to her. She added that she would remain ever grateful to him. She would remain. So I repeat, The dove listened to her friend's false praises. Here friend's false praises represents, so look, bat, that means bat's praises, and wondered or astonished about the insincerity of his praises. The dove was quite hanging her head down. The owl got impatient and wanted to hear more and more praises. The dove lifted her head slowly and thanked him very much for the shelter and food offered to her. She added that she would remain ever grateful to him. So, if you open your book at page number 55, I am writing the page number, that you will get this passage. Okay, in your EF2 book, page number 55, you will get this passage. So, look at the end, it is written our SW number 8, unit 9, lesson 4, scene part, question number 1 and 2. Okay, you will do question number 1. Okay, 1 represents 1 to 7 and 2 represents A to D. So, look, these two items, that means question number 1 is MCQ, question number 2 is question answer. These two are your SW. So, my dear students of class 8, I hope you have understood and enjoyed this class very much. Please write me in the comment box if you have any query, and do your SW in your SW copy. Finally, abide by your parents' advice. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.